Good morning, students. Today the date is June 27 and the day is Saturday. Today we are going to continue with the next topic of aptitude under verbal aptitude. Chapter number 6, puzzle time. In this chapter we are given some problem and from that problem we are to answer the given questions. Here the information given is read the following information carefully and answer the questions that follows. The question is there are 6 cities A, B, C, D, E and F and some statements are given. From these statements we are to answer the given questions. For these cities some statements are given. From statement number 1, A is not a hill station. As A is not a hill station, so I will put cross here. From the second statement, B and E are not historical places. For historical places, B and E both are not historical places, so I'll put cross here. From the third statement, D is not an industrial city. Industrial city is there and D is here, so I'll put cross here. Next is A and D are not historical places. A and D both are not historical places, so I'll put cross here. Next one is A and B are not alike. A and B both are not same. So if this is not a hill station, it means B is hill station. If A is industrial city, then B is not industrial city. So from the above information I have put tick and cross. The remaining parts I'll put tick here as above information. So now the questions are, now from this information that is filled in this table, I'll answer the given questions. Question number 1 is, which of the following cities are industrial centers? See the options. A option is A and B, B option is E and F, C option is C and D, D option is B and F, E option is A and D. Now get the answer from table. The question is, which two cities are industrial centers? First option is A and B. But B is not an industrial city. Second option is E and F. E and F both are the industrial cities. So our right answer is option B is the right answer. So I'll put tick here. Now for the second question, which two cities are historical places? See the options. A and C, B and F, C and F, B and E, A and D. Now see from the table which two cities are historical places. Now for the historical places we are having, this is so too clear from the table. C and F are the historical places. So our right answer is option C. Question number 3 is, which two cities are hill stations? The options are given. A and B, C and A, B and D, A and F, none of these. I have to find out the hill stations. Now A is not the hill station. So the option in which A is there, that will not the right answer. So here I have C option, that is B and D is the right answer. Question number 4 is, which city is a hill station and an industrial center but not a historical place? The city which is hill station as well as industrial center but not the historical place. See from these options. Here I have E is the right answer, which is a hill station and an industrial city but not the historical place. So our right answer for question number 4 is option A. Question number 5. Which two cities are neither historical places nor industrial centers? Now we are to find out from the given options which two cities are neither historical nor industrial. Now see the options. Options are A and B. D and E, F and C, B and D. See from the table the cities which are neither historical places. Now from the historical places column and from the industrial centers. Now as A is not historical but industrial, B is neither historical nor industrial, also D is neither historical nor industrial. So we can say that the right option for this is D, where B and D are the two cities which are neither historical nor industrial. So students, this is all about chapter number 6 of aptitude, that is puzzle time. So do this. Thank you. Have a nice day.